Very good evening. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the market closing, post-closing analysis. How the market was closed, and whatever the things we have discussed in the morning, whether that thing I have achieved or not, and what the support and resistance level we have shared, whether that support and resistance level are broken or not. Likewise, we are going to discuss, and at the end of the session, we will have about options opportunities. How today's option opportunity was there. Likewise, we are going to discuss. And coming to market updation. Today we have found a gap up market because of the global cues. We have found that gap up market in Nifty. If you see 100 points of gap up movement, we have seen that is Nifty future. If you see about on that is Friday closing 18,194, and today it was opened around 18,294, nearly 100 points of gap up opening we have seen in Nifty future. The similar way in Bank Nifty, if you see Friday's closing is around 41,419, and today it was opened around 41,869, nearly 450 points of gap up opening we have seen in Bank Nifty future. Whether this gap up was sustained towards a bullish mode or not, likewise if you ask me, yes, we have found that from the morning till European markets opened, the market gone down to the level. After the European market opened, the market got recovered to the level whatever the open or high made till from the morning till afternoon 1:30 itself. So what kind of movement we have seen? If you see in Nifty future, the morning opening is around 18,294 and the low made towards 18,119. That is of, if you see about previous close is 18,194. Whenever in the morning 18,194 was broken, then drastically gone down to the level of 18,119, and after the European market opened at 130 level, the market got recovered. If you see about the global market, all the maximum of Asian markets are on a green, that is bullish mode. We have seen morning itself Hang Seng was closed with 2.69% positive, and Nikkei was closed with 1.21% positive. But SGX Nifty, if you see, SGX Nifty currently is trading on 0.42% positive to the level of 18,279, but the high made is 18,350 in SGX Nifty. But what about our market? We see about the European markets open, because morning itself I have told you, according to the European markets, our market can reverse to the level whatever we are expecting. Okay, but morning I have expected, my view is that the bullish mode, because we have seen Bank Nifty is very strong compared to Nifty, but till the closing Bank Nifty is strong only, but Nifty was saturated and consolidated trade have happened. So the European market, that FTSE, if you see, it's opened with a flat negative note, but CAC and DAX opened with a positive one. If you see about the DAX, it was trading on 1.02% positive. So after 130, the market got recovered from the lower level with drastically whatever the high made, it came to the level. If you see. If you see about Nifty, 18,294 was open and 18,119 is low, and high made is 18,308. So this is the Nifty level. But if you see about the Bank Nifty future is open towards the level of 41,869. At the time, the high made is 41,880. From there, it drastically came down to the level of 41,489. But if you see about the previous closes 41,419, it was not broken to the level of previous close of 41,419, and it taken a support over there and went up to the level of 41,900, the high made. So if you see about the Bank Nifty is still on a bullish mode. So if the global cues are supported, that is, if the European market is closed with a positive sign of positive closing, and US market opening and closing, we have found a positive opening and positive closing in a sense. And if the Asian market supports our market with a positive mode, we can have tomorrow a gap up opening again. Gap up opening in the sense again 40 to 80 points gap up opening in Nifty we can found, and Bank Nifty we can have another 150 to 200 points of gap up opening we can see in Bank Nifty future also. This is my view I am sharing you now. Okay, coming to the point of any other news are there in today's market. If you see morning itself, I have told you various quarterly results we are going to see, and various companies quarterly results is going to update now. So some of the quarterly results positive and some of the quarterly results are negative we are seeing. But some of the positive quarterly results, what are the companies have given: Vinati Organics and Aditya Birla Capital, then Ujjivan Finance, then Vinyl Chemicals, Red Gain Travel Tech, and Automotive Axles. These are the companies are coming up with a positive quarterly results. And what are the companies are coming with a negative quarterly results? If you see Oriental Carbon, then Ramco Systems, then Alkyl Amines and KPR Mills and Divis Lab and India Cements. These are the companies are coming up with a negative results, and some more companies are coming up with the quarterly results in the evening also. We will update by tomorrow morning. Okay. And if you see about the sector wise movement, how the sector wise movement was there in today's movement, today's volatile movement, if you see Nifty Bank was closed around 1.04% positive, and Nifty Auto is around 1.30% positive, and financial services on 0.75 and 0.65% positive. But if you see about the pharma, minus 1.43% is there. Today's closing we are seeing. But some other thing of PSU banks or 4.46% positive closing we have seen. And if you see about metal, 1.58% positive, and reality 1.05% positive. Likewise, these are all the sector wise movement we are seeing. And top gainers and top losers for today in Nifty, if you see Britannia is up by 8.43% today. It was closed around 8.43% positive closing we are seeing. And the SBI, that is State Bank of India, is around 3.34% positive, and Adani Entertainment is around 3.13% positive, and BPCL on 2.74% positive, and Eicher Motor towards 2.57% positive. These are the top gainers list in Nifty. And if you see about top losers of Nifty today, Nifty's performance today, Divis Lab results are negative, we have told. So they are top losers on they are into the top losers table. Around minus 8.74% is the today's performance of Divis Lab, and Asian Paints is minus 2.34%, and Cipla minus 1.45%, then Sun Pharma minus 1.34%, and Adani Ports is 1.31% negative. So I have told you that pharma sector is on 1.43% negative closing we have seen. So some of the pharma sector stocks as Divis Lab and Cipla and Sun Pharma is on a negative note we have closed. So these are the top gainers and top losers for today. Okay, coming up with that, today's support and resistance, what we have discussed, I have told you that 18,207 as support is there. If 18,207 was broken, then we can have a rally towards 18,161 and 18,131 also possible level, I have told you. And the resistance is that 18,282 resistance is there. If 18,282 to 83 is broken, then we can have a rally towards 18,330 can be a possible one, I have told. But if you see today, the support was broken to the level of 18,207 and it came down to the level of 18,119. So here if you see 18,102 support was there, the support have taken at 18,119 and it came down up to the level of 18,286 level today, but the high made in the morning was not broken. So this is the Nifty's movement we are seeing. But if you see about Bank Nifty future, yes, morning we have discussed at the level of 41,800 level. So at that time, what I have told you that 41,754 as support is there. If 41,754 is broken, then we can have a rally towards 41,642 and 41,530 respectively. Another support is at 41,423 is the support. Earlier the closing is at 41,419. What the Bank Nifty moved from 800 level, it came down to the level of 41,489, and the support at 41,419 to 23 is there the support have taken, and it went up to the level to broke the high about 41,900 and it was closed around 41,800 level itself. So this kind of movement we can have in chart also. I will share my screen now for Nifty future and Bank Nifty future, how it moved today. Yes, for your understanding, 15 minutes candle I am showing you and today's movement we are watching. Yes, this is of today's movement we are seeing. At the morning we have seen about 100 points of gap up opening. Whenever the gap up opening is having, we are having the gap up as sustained means then the market will go up. If the gap up is not sustained to the level, then the market is coming down to the level within 10 o'clock. So here if you see is a major example about it. Today morning the high made is 18,308 and the first 15 minutes candle itself the high made is 18,308 and the low is 18,262, and the second candle itself it was broken the first candle is low towards 18,218. So if I am a candlestick analyzer, so if I am going a short below 18,218 level, then the low made till 130 is 18,119. So nearly 100 points are down from the second candle's low we are seeing. So this is a great opportunity in Nifty future by analyzing through candlestick chart. After the 130, that is after the European markets open, the market got recovered drastically towards from 18,119 till 18,276 the high made. Now it was closed around 18,261 level. So this is the movement of Nifty future we are watching. But if the global market supports to do tomorrow, then we can have another gap up opening to the level of 18,330 can be a opening. Above 18,320 to 330 can be a opening for Nifty future. It's my view I am sharing you now. If the global market is not supported, then we can have a gap down opening towards 60 to 70 points can be a gap down opening we can expect. Okay, coming to the point of Bank Nifty future. Yes, Bank Nifty future is very strong, I have told you, when compared with Nifty, but even Nifty dragged Bank Nifty towards the lower level. If you see, yes, today's movement I am sharing you, it's a 15 minutes candle. Yes, first 15 minutes candle itself, the high made is 41,880. Here you see the resistance is 41,866 level, but it was not sustained, and the first candle's low is 41,666. But again, the low have broken at the time of 10:45 to 11 only, the first candle's low. So how strong the Bank Nifty trading was, if you see. In Nifty, we have found the low, the second candle's low broken at 10 o'clock, 9:45 to 10 o'clock itself. But here in Bank Nifty, the low was broken at 10:45 to 11 o'clock. From the low towards, it made the low towards 41,489 is the low made. So from here the market got recovered and again it reached towards 41,900 level. Nearly 410 points have moved upside with from at 130 itself. So from 130 to 330 you are seeing. So this kind of bullish movement we are seeing in Bank Nifty. Whether if the global markets are supported, then we can have Bank Nifty to be open above 42,000. If the global market is not supported, then we can have a rally towards again 41,400 or 41,350 respectively. So this is my view. But what I am expecting tomorrow I am expecting a one side movement. If the global market supports our market, we can have a one side market towards the higher level, because this is a second to third time it's reaching this level. So we can expect some bullish mode for tomorrow. This is my view. Okay, coming to the options segment. How the options opportunity is that morning itself we have told one side, the for morning session we have seen the downside market, and afternoon session it gone to the upward level. So if you see about Nifty 18,300 put option, how the opportunity was in the morning. Yes, it's a 15 minutes candle I am showing you now, and today's movement, if you see how drastically moved from the level, it was opened at 120 and 139 is the opening of Nifty 18,300 put option in the morning, and after that opening the high made till 130 is at 247. So nearly 100 to 150 points of gap, that is opening from the opening till 130 it moved, because at opening itself the low made is 116, but after that 130 the high made is 247. So nearly 110 points have moved from the opening itself. It's a good opportunity for put buyers in the morning session, but afterwards after reaching 247.8, nearly it comes down to the level of again 124 level. So this is of option writers opportunity in 18,300 put option. If you see about the call option in morning, if the option writers are very confident on the market to be downside till 1 o'clock likewise, then option writers would have made a good opportunity in 18,100 call option. If you see morning open at 155 and high made is 210 within first 15 minutes candle itself. After that the low made towards is 98, so nearly 100 points or 110 points of downside movement. The option writer would have made an opportunity if they are confident on the market till 130 the lower level. So after that from the 90 level, then the high made is 160, nearly 60 to 70 points moved higher side. This is the opportunity for option buyers. So the option buyer is having a margin of 5,000 to 10,000, they would have made a profit of nearly 2,500 to 3,000 rupees if they are on a minimum level profit. If you see about Bank Nifty performance, I have told you the similar. If you see about 42,000 put option in Bank Nifty, I am showing you 15 minutes candle. Yes, morning opening 500 is the opening and low towards 420. After that the high made towards is 674. This kind of opportunity, what an opportunity in option buyers in 42,000 put option. From the level of 500 the low made is 420. From 420 it made towards the level of 674, nearly 250 points have moved upside from the lower level within first 15 minutes candle. So after that from 674 the low made is around 360, nearly 310 points of downside movement we are seeing within 1.5 hours. So this is the option writers movement and option buyers movement in 42,000 put option. But if you see about 41,700 call option, yeah, it's a 15 minutes candle. Yes, morning opening is around 333, the high is around 333, open is the high. After that the low made towards the level of 136, nearly 200 points have came down. The option writers have a good opportunity in that 41,700 call option. If you see from the level of 136 it moved towards 278. So what an opportunity for option buyers from 136 to 278, nearly 140 points upward movement. So this kind of opportunity is there in option market. If you have a margin of 10,000, we can able to easily tap the opportunity of 2,500 to 5,000 we can easily tap. But only thing is that we need to go on to a trend. We should not enter into the reverse trend. So if we are entering into the reverse trend, then the market will give us a reverse return. So my suggestion is that you can trade in option, but you can have to trade in the money or at the money. You should avoid the out of the money. It's my suggestion, because out of the money the premium meeting session will be there, so our premium will not get that much higher. So if you are going for in the money or at the money, then your enter and exit will be as quicker as possible. So I think these things are all useful for you, I think. And tomorrow morning session, NSE and BSE and MCX morning session is on holiday because on the account of Guru Nanak Jayanti, but evening session is there, evening MCX session is there. So I think on Wednesday we will have a one side market according to that global Q support. So this session will be very useful for you, I think, and thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.